thousands of years, humanity has searched for ways to create wealth. Terrace, through labor, through ideas, through technology.
But today, we stand on the edge of a new era, an age where artificial intelligence is not just a tool for business careers.
I'm Natalie for Trace, and in this episode, we'll explore how AI is transforming global business, unlocking new ways.
Welcome, Tierney Christmas, to the digital wealth era.
In the new digital economy, the rules of business are being rewritten, not by corporations, but by intelligence itself. Artificial intelligence is no longer something distant or futuristic. It's here, quietly powering the way we think, create, and earn. Entrepreneurs are no longer limited by time or geography. AI works while they sleep, learning markets, automating processes, and turning ideas into income. From digital art to algorithmic trading, from personalized marketing to content creation, artificial intelligence has become the silent partner of a new generation. A generation that builds wealth not with machines, but with imagination. We can already see it happening. Creators who once relied only on inspiration are now building entire brands powered by intelligent systems. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini are rewriting how ideas are born, turning words into businesses and imagination into reality. Artists use Midjourney and Runway to visualize what once lived only in their dreams. Traders and analysts use TensorFlow and GPT-based models to read human emotion across markets in real time. Entrepreneurs automate entire operations through Zapier, Notion AI, and AutoGPT, running businesses that work even while they sleep. Even storytellers and filmmakers now use Sora, Veo, and Pika Labs to bring their ideas to life, frame by frame, thought by thought. The tools are no longer for the few. They belong to anyone with vision, curiosity, and the courage to create. Because the real revolution isn't AI replacing humans, it's humans learning to build alongside intelligence itself.
Artificial intelligence was never meant to replace us, but to remind us what it means to create, to connect, to dream. The future doesn't belong to machines. It belongs to the minds that dare to imagine.
I'm Natalie, and this is AI Decode.